Meanwhile, there is no relief for actor Sanjana Galrani in the Kannada film industry drug case, which is also called as the sandalwood industry. Sanjana Galrani's judicial custody has been extended till 30th September. Meanwhile, another accused, actor Ragini Dwivedi's bail plea hearing is also slated for today. While this investigation intensifies, there are other actors and kin of politicians who are now under lens. Bengaluru's Central Crime Branch has now summoned 2 more actors. There is also one son of a former Congress MLA in connection with drug allegations. Those summoned include Akul Balaji, who's an actor and host, Santosh Kumar, actor and Kannada Bigg Boss participant, and also Yuvraj. He's the son of former Congress MLA R.V. Devaraj. All 3 have been summoned by the Bengaluru Central Crime Branch. Apart from these, star couple Digant and Aindrita already under scanner. Their phones have been seized. However, former Minister Jeevaraj Alva's son Aditya Alva is still untraceable. He is mentioned as accused number 6 with drug allegations. He has been missing since 4th September. He's the brother-in-law of Hindi film actor Vivek Oberoi. Let's go across directly now to Bengaluru because my colleague Nolan Pinto is now joining me for the latest. Nolan, big names coming up. You've been tracking this case since day one. How is this panning out? And it is Aditya Alva primarily who's still the one not contacted the agencies, not coming for questioning.
Well, Pooja, absolutely. In fact, Aditya Alva is still absconding. We're not too sure what the police or the CCB, that's the Central Crime Branch, is basically doing about this. But he is not to be seen anywhere. His mobile phones are still switched off. But apart from that, the net is actually widening as of now. Like you rightly mentioned, Balaji, Santosh and Yuvraj are currently now at the CCB. In fact, Balaji and Yuvraj. Balaji is a television host and anchor. Santosh is a TV actor. And Yuvraj is a former cooperator, a councillor, and his father is a former Congress MLA. Now, what we are hearing is this, that Vaibhav Jain, one of the accused in the case, who's now in custody, he is the one who actually gave information regarding these 3 individuals. Furthermore, we are also told that Balaji hosted some of the parties where all these people were involved. So as of now, in the same police station, that's the Cotton Pit police station where the NDPS Act has been actually, the case has been booked over there. These 3 individuals are being looked as prime suspects. And that's the reason why they are being questioned today by sleuths at the Central Crime Branch.
Okay. Nolan Pinto is tracking all the latest. He is the reporter who knows all the inside information and putting it in perspective. Nolan, keep tracking all the latest. Thank you very much for now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.